Welcome back to this episode of Bad Gas Productions. Thanks for tuning in. This week we got a very special visitor. He's about this tall, great potential, big personality. You're going to love him. We're doing sound deadening this week, inside the car and in the trunk. We had a great time, great episode. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're just tuning in right now, keep checking us out. You might start to enjoy us. If you got any comments, chuck one in the comment section below, share with a friend, and smash that like button. We greatly appreciate it. Let's get you front row center to watch this episode of Bad Gas Productions. What the? Who's asleep with the light? Roll the tape!
Because the inside's all nice and clean and will probably never be cleaner. So this stuff is a peel and stick application. Cuts down on noise and heat and that kind of tinniness that you get and resonating sound, and it's going to be a lot of fun peeling and sticking and rubbing and peeling and sticking and rubbing.
Where are we putting all that?
Peeling, sticking and rubbing.
Where are you going to put all that?
Everywhere inside the car. From the firewall, the whole floor, all the way back.
All inside the trunk?
Yeah.
Should be good times.
Put Connor in the trunk. Stuff in there.
Small hands.
Small body.
Rocking.
Yep. Good night.
Sweet.
So, the beginning of the night here, Corey starts working on the passenger side of the Trans Am, working in the sound deadening material into the floor, doing a great job with his tools there. Mark gives him a hand by feeding him some material, just keep him going. The rest of the Bad Gas crew, we're moving some stuff around here, keeping the Bad Gas garage organized and prepped for the next upcoming jobs and video. It's always a reoccurring thing that has to happen. Mark lays down one piece here and says, this is looking pretty cool. I'm going to go talk to Sean. Andrew and Connor steps in. Connor learns a lot here tonight. He done a really good job. So, as a lot of you may know, this sound deadening is a great upgrade to any vehicle that you have, especially vehicles that you want to drive down the road and be nice and comfortable. A lot of vehicles, they sound loud outside, that's cool, but in the car, it's nice to have a nice quiet sound where you can hear the stuff that you want to hear. You can install this stuff on the floors, in your doors, in your trunk, on your firewall. It all helps to keep your heat down in your car, and definitely helps against, like I said, sound. Really good upgrade for your vehicle.
Kill mat in the trunk, buddy.
Looks
good,
good,
that looks
buddy.
so good.
That looks really good, bud. Look at you. Such a professional.
I try. I'm a professional. I'm trying. I'm not trying.
Killed Matt.
Yep.
Kills heat and sound. Dead in his tracks.
My trusty old screwdriver method. Corey brought the fancy stuff.
That is fancy. Look at that.
Usually when I'm pushing this stuff in, Ron, I come back
Yeah.
after I kind of get it done, and then I come back with a heat gun and I just warm it
Oh
up.
yeah, let her set.
And then push it right in.
That's a good idea.
So we got Mark and Sean, Jason helping out here in the back. The guys here just laying the kill mat we have for the trunk, using up that. This stuff is great material. Peel and stick, comes in pre-made sizes, easy to install, great stuff. With the proper tools, you can definitely lay it down nice and neat.
Holy smokes, I've been working on this Trans Am so long I lost all my hair.
This was one of the better nights at the Bad Gas Garage. Everyone was on deck. Everyone was helping out, tapping in, tapping out, helping everyone out. It was a great night.
Are you having a
Figure I better do something.
I thought you were just being the boss.
No, I'm just being lazy.
Sometimes lazy's good.
What are you guys up to?
Sticking. Peeling and sticking according to Sully.
I'm having a hard time with this thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, say that again, Corey.
Peeling and sticking according to Sully.
Andrew, what do you think?
I think we're agreeing on peeling and sticking.
Good job. It's coming along. What do you think, Connor? You having fun, buddy? Doing a great job. We're gonna have to hire you.
I took you over your dad.
He smells better. Need more already?
Well, soon we're getting pretty low.
They say it takes a village to raise a barn. Maybe they say that. I think they say that it takes a village to raise a barn. We got a village here.
Raise a barn or raise a kid?
You guys are like the village people. Oh, right. Maybe it's raise a kid. I don't know. What?
Easy on that village people. Who's got the roller?
I'm the cop.
You are you?
Yeah, right. Actually, I think Corey gets that one.
Big roller? Sean stole it. When you weren't looking, Sean came in and took it.
It did.
Hey, buddy.
Hello.
How you doing?
What are you up to, Andrew?
Cutting holes out.
Cutting holes.
No, we put the sound deadener in.
Oh, beautiful job, buddy.
Yeah, but I don't know about that.
So, what we got done here so far? Oh, yeah. Chop. Some sound deadener in. You guys are wicked. You guys are great.
I was looking for it like you, like I tried to Home Depot all the time. Yeah. States they have.
So guys, if you like what you see, smash that like button. And if you're wanting to be a subscriber, greatly appreciate it. It's free and don't cost anything, but it does a lot for us.
This stuff here is actually thinner when you look at it.
Really gnawing, Connor?
Ah, look at these two. Out on a date in the Trans Am together.
What?
Said these two out on a date in the Trans Am together.
Well, Sully always trying to get in the backseat.
Yeah. I'm gonna get on top.
All right, guys, little update. We got the trunk done here. All done with the kill mat. Should be all nice and quiet. What do you think, Connor?
It's good.
Did we do a good job?
Yeah.
Nice. Sean did this side.
Yeah. It's good.
Did you do a good job?
Yeah.
Sweet.
You did.
Show me the other side. Show me the car.
Okay. So when we first got here, like when we were first doing this, there was only this piece, and we did all of this today.
All of it?
Yeah.
Who did the best job?
Connor and Andrew, I think, are the best job.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah.
Look at that back seat.
Yeah.
That looks awesome.
Yeah. You just have to put in probably some carpet and that and
Carpet, seats,
carpet.
big engine with a turbo.
Yeah. Some pedals, drivers, or oh my god, my brain just stopped.
Fuzzy dice.
Fuzzy dice.
Oh yeah, some fuzzy dice,
Got it, fuzzy dice.
some big wheels.
Yeah.
Then you can pick your girlfriend up and take her out on a date.
Trucker
Maybe-
girl mud flaps.
Maybe this car. I don't know. But yeah.
Awesome job, buddy.
Good job.
Rod here from the Bad Gas Production Crew. Thanks for tuning in this week. We really appreciate it. If you like our channel, give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. And if you got anything to say, chuck one in the comment section below because we like to see what you guys want to see. If you're a subscriber, make sure to hit that notify bell so you're notified of any Bad Gas Production new stuff. From me and the rest of the Bad Gas Production Crew, we want to make sure you put some miles on those rides. Put some love in your builds. And the main thing of all is have a bad gas time doing it. Ha ha!